Meet New Indicator by AQ Pro, a precision tool built to detect powerful institutional order blocks in real time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced SMC trader, this indicator is designed to help you spot high-quality market zones where price is likely to react fast, clearly, and without clutter. So what exactly does it do? BLOCKFORCE scans the market using advanced logic based on FVGs, fair value gaps, and highlights key order blocks that institutions are likely watching. These are not just any zones, they're classified into classic, strong, and extreme based on how likely they are to trigger a price reaction. The more extreme the label, the more powerful the potential zone. And the best part? It all updates live as price moves. Here's how it works in simple terms. The indicator starts by finding valid FVGs, gaps between candles that hint at imbalance. Then, it filters out weak ones using smart criteria like inside bar rejection and impulse correction structure. This filtering makes sure you're not overwhelmed with noise, just high-quality zones. After that, each order block gets evaluated. Is it near a key pivot or chocha level? Is it formed at an extreme point in the trend? Based on that, the indicator labels the block, so you instantly know how much weight to give it. But it doesn't stop there. BLOCKFORCE also includes MTF mode, so you can see key order blocks from higher timeframes on your lower chart. This helps you align your intraday entries with institutional zones on the daily or 4H chart, which is where the smart money lives. To help you stay focused, the age filter hides old or irrelevant zones, and the cancellation filter warns you when an order block has likely lost its edge, so you don't waste trades on invalidated areas. Visually, everything is customizable, so your chart stays clean and easy to read. Want to use it effectively? AI Quantum BLOCKFORCE as a confirmation engine for your trades. Don't rely on it alone. Instead, use it to strengthen your bias, time entries, or validate setups from your main strategy. And if you're an SMC trader, this tool will feel like home. It supports your method 100% with smart chocha tracking, visual OB labels, and live updates on the chart. AI Quantum BLOCKFORCE helps you save time, remove noise, and trade with structure. It doesn't promise magic, but it gives you a powerful edge by highlighting the zones that matter most. Add it to your toolkit today and start trading like the institutions do. Available now on aqpro.io, and right now you can get it with another 6 indicators and monthly package only for $119.99. But if you use promo code START30 in checkout boxes, you can get 30% discount right now. See you soon.